Hey YouTube, how you all doing? Just one quick final video on this Bolens MTD lawnmower, push mower, and the control handle, stop bar, handlebar, whatever you want to call them. It broke into two pieces as I was rebuilding it. I want to share it. I think it's a cool fix if you don't want to spend that $15 to $20, including shipping. All I did was found a metal pipe like this. Cut them about 7/8 or about an inch. Smashed them flat using a mallet. Filled it with JB Weld. Take a look. Drilled a hole using a drill bit, 3/16, right? And it's holding up rather well, but I thought I'd share it. Let me go ahead and mount it. There it is. Perfect. And the other thing I did, cleaned the air filter using Dawn. Alright, check it out. How about that? New stop bar. One pull, baby. So much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now. Awesome fix right there, just in case you don't want to spend 15 bucks or so.